Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig. As you can see here, I am back with another trunk club. So this is my second trunk club. If you saw last month's video, then you know. My stylist messaged me after I gave her my feedback and told me she could make my sizes a little bit smaller, so we did do that. So these should fit better. I should have some smaller sizes, so hopefully this trunk club goes a little bit better. For those of you that don't know how trunk club works, basically you pay $25 as a styling fee, and that goes towards whatever you decide to keep. They send you like a lot of items, I don't even know how many it is, based off of a styling quiz that you take and messages that you send back and forth with your stylist. So without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so the inside of the box looks like this, so you can tell that these are shoes and this is clothes. And where should we start? I think we started with the clothes last time, so we're going to start with the shoes this time. There's only one pair of shoes. It is by Soul Society, and let's see what they look like. Oh, I just tried to pull this orange thing off. I thought it was another rubber band. Ooh, orange must be their color because it's an orange paper too. These are the shoes that they sent me from Soul Society. They're like these black chunky heel like sandals with this mesh material. These are so cute. They look so comfortable. I would say this heel is about 2 inches. And I cannot wait to try these on. Are the Henna Sandal by Soul Society, and they are $88.95. I feel like that is really expensive, but I also feel like these shoes are so cute. I might just have to keep them. These shoes aren't even cute. They're like fabulous. These shoes are, oh my god, I'm like blown away by these shoes. I wish they weren't so expensive, but honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to see these with some outfits and decide. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. These are the shoes by Soul Society. I think that these shoes are so fabulous. Like, if you put these on, you know what you were doing when you got dressed this morning. And I want to keep them so bad. I just don't know if I can bring myself to pay the price. Next, we're at this huge stack of clothes. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to take this string off. And we're just going to start at the top and work our way down. Well, I just mixed up the top, so we're going to start at what's at the top now. So the first thing that I see here is a black dress. Okay, so it's like a black tank top dress or off the shoulder dress. I'm not sure which. We'll see when I try it on, or if it says in the description. And it's just like really, it looks really tight. It has like runched sides. The material feels very thick and soft. I bet this would be sexy. I bet it looks so good with those shoes. This is the sheared off the shoulder dress, and it is $79. I do feel like that's really expensive, and I don't have anywhere to wear it. And I'm not a huge fan of off the shoulder, so I don't think I'll be keeping this, but we'll never know until I try it on. However, I think it's gonna be amazing. I think it's gonna fit amazing. I think it looks so good with those shoes, and I'm really excited to try it on. So this is the first dress. I love the way this fits. This is so like classy but sexy, and I want it so bad. I just don't have anywhere to wear it to. Next, we have some stripes. This looks overwhelming. Okay, so next we have some white button fly shorts with red and blue stripes up them. Brand Reformation. I think these are like a perfect 4th of July short, but I can't see wearing them any other time, and I always work on 4th of July, so I don't think I'll be keeping these just because I would never wear them. However, if you would wear these, I think you should get them 100%. Are the Charlie denim shorts, and they are $98, so I definitely won't be keeping them just because they're so expensive, and I can think of one day of a year that I would be wearing them. But I'm still excited to see how they fit, and they are super cute. Shorts fit really well. And I really like the material. They feel super thick. Literally, the only reason I'm not keeping these shorts is because of the pattern. It just is too 4th of July for me. Next, we have something green. Okay, I love this color. Oh, it's a top. Okay, so next we have this green top. It looks like it ties in the front, so you can make it tighter or looser and wear like a bralette underneath it. And then it scrunches up at the bottom, and then it has like these loose flowy sleeves. This looks really cute. It's by the brand Moon River, and it is their floral tie front peplum top, and it is $68. I think this top is really cute. I think it's kind of cropped, so it'd be really cute with a pair of like high-waisted white denim pants, and I'm really excited to try this top on. We have this green top, which I will definitely be keeping. I just think this green top would be so cute with a pair of high-waisted jeans, and I love the color. This color looks really flattering on me. I like how summery it is. You can just put a cute bralette under there and be good to go, and it's nice and thin, and I love this top. Next, we have denim, white denim, which I was just talking about, so that's kind of funny. We have a pair of button fly white denim shorts by the brand Madwell. These shorts are $74.50. That does seem kind of pricey for a pair of shorts, but once again, this is Trunk Club. This is name brand stuff, and I love how high the waist looks of these and how it like cinches in. Like, it just, these shorts look like they make you curvy. I don't know if they do yet because I haven't tried them on, but they look like they do, and I'm really excited to try these on too. We have these white button fly denim shorts, high-waisted. I will not be keeping these. I don't like the way they fit. I don't like the button fly, and I really don't think the way the shape of the pockets is very flattering, so I will definitely be sending these shorts back. Next, we have something pink and florally. Okay, so it's another top. It's a tank top. This looks really big for me. It just looks wide. It's this pink and floral tank top, just with thick straps. It's by the brand BP. It's a size small, so I think it should fit. This is BP's floral tank, and it is $35. This is the cheapest thing I've seen out of Trunk Club, and I'm not a fan. I don't like the pattern. I don't like how wide it looks. I don't really care for the color, so I don't think I will be keeping this, but as always, I'll still try it on for you. Okay guys, next we have this floral tank top, which we already knew that I would be sending back. I still don't find it very flattering. I feel like it's very boom, and I'm not. I'm very boom, so that doesn't help me at all. I don't really care for the color or the pattern, so I will be sending this top back. So we have something in like a burnt orange or red color. Ooh, it's really soft too. Really soft. Okay, next we have this RVCR tank top. It just has these buttons going up the side. It doesn't have buttonholes, so you couldn't do anything with them. It's just like decoration. But this tank top feels so comfy. It feels like pajamas. I love the color of this. This is the Zelda Henley tank by RVCA, and it is $29, and I can't wait to try this on. If I had to guess, I'm going to guess that I'd be keeping this just because it feels so comfortable and it looks so easy to just throw on with like a pair of jeans and you're good to go. So I'm really excited about this one. Next, I'm going to assume this is an accessory. Guys, next we have this like burnt orange comfy tank top. I will definitely be keeping this shirt. I think it'd be so cute to just throw on a pair of high-waisted denim, tuck it in right here, just like this, and just be good to go and go out somewhere casual, like to the movies or to dinner or just grocery shopping, like just somewhere that you want to dress casual, but you still want to look cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Next we have a pair of hoops by J. Crew. They are just like pink or rose gold sparkles, and they're kind of big. Like, these are so cute. These are the resin angled hoop earrings by J. Crew, and they are $29.50. I do feel like that's a little bit expensive for a pair of earrings, especially a pair of earrings that I don't even know if I could wear, because the part that goes in your ear has to be real sterling silver, or it makes my ears like hurt and get infected. So I don't even know if I could wear these. It doesn't say on there. So I'll probably be sending these back just because I can't imagine paying $30 for a pair of earrings I don't even know if I can wear. Next, I have no idea what this is. Next we have, what are these? Oh, shorts, right? Yes. Next we have a pair of what looks like high-waisted black shorts. They tie in the front here with these ribbons, and they're kind of like this floral pattern. I don't know if you can see it. They're from the brand Lost Ink. I can already tell you these shorts are see-through. I can see through them, like holding them up to the camera like this. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I can see you. And I'm not a big fan of like the flower pattern or the tie, so I think I'll be sending these shorts back. But these are the Lost Ink embroidered shorts, and they are $58. Here are the black embroidered high-waisted shorts. As I was putting these on, I thought I was wrong, and I actually was in love with them. And then I tied the bow. So if they were just like this, and they were tight enough to stay up on me, I probably would keep them. However, they're not tight enough to stay up on me. I have to tie this bow, and it just looks bulky and tacky, and I'm not a fan of that. But otherwise, I do love these shorts, but I will be sending them back. Next, I see jeans. Oh, these look so cute. Okay, next we just have a pair of dark wash denim jeans. They're not distressed or anything, except on the bottom they are a little bit distressed, but not too much. They look high-waisted, and they feel like very stretchy and spandexy, you know, like you want your jeans to fit tight. This is what you go for. They are the brand Articles of Society. Okay guys, these are the denim jeans, obviously. I will definitely be keeping these. I love the high rise. I love where the waist hits. I love how tight they are. The length is perfect. It hits me right on the ankles, and they just feel comfy and stretchy, and I can't wait to wear these all winter long. So I will definitely be keeping these jeans. These are their Heather high-waisted crop skinny jeans, and they are $64. I think these are going to fit really nicely. I just hope the length is right, and I can't wait to try them on. Oh, and they have this little A here on the butt. Next we have this. Okay, so next we have a all white blazer. by the brand Mural. It came in this bag, so I gotta be very careful with it. The brand Mural. When I saw this in their preview, I thought it was gonna look like a blazer, but be more like sweater material, but it's definitely blazer material. This is the Slouchy Boyfriend Blazer by Mural, and it's $74. I'll not be keeping this just because I'll never wear it. I'll get it so dirty. Oh, I don't know, I might keep it. This could be so cute. I don't know, guys, I might have to keep this. This could be so cute with just like a basic shirt, shredded denim shoes, shredded denim jeans, and these shoes. Oh my god. I might have to keep it, guys. Okay, guys, this is the white blazer, the white boyfriend blazer. I do absolutely love it. It feels so comfortable. This feels like it would be an amazing jacket in the winter time. However, with the price and it being solid white, as much as I want to keep it, I can't bring myself to keep this because I'll just ruin it and I'll be mad at myself and it'll be a whole ordeal. So I will be sending this blazer back against everything in my heart. I will be. But I could not wear this to work. It would be ruined the first time. I can't wait to like try this on standing up though and let you guys see it. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think I should do. And last but not least, we have something yellow and sparkly. Oh, it's a dress. Okay, so last but not least, we have this hinge dress. It is yellow and it just has like these striped sparkles down it. It's very cute. It looks very flowy. It looks very good for like a relaxing, like just throw me on dress. This is the metallic striped shift dress by Hinge and it is $70. I can't wait to try this on. I think this is going to be so cute and I can't wait to know what you guys think. So comment down below and let me know what you think. But not least, this is the shift dress. I will not be keeping this dress. I feel like I just have on a hospital gown with some glitter on it. Don't get me wrong, if I'm ever in the hospital, this is what I want to wear. But if I'm not in the hospital, this is not what I want to wear. So I will be sending this dress back. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to keep seeing me, then please hit the subscribe button. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.